In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create an Apple ID. The method is using a computer, whether it's a Windows PC or a Mac. If you would rather skip this method, feel free to move ahead to the next part. To get started on a computer, open a browser and go to appleid.apple.com. Click on Create your Apple ID at the top right of the page. Fill in your personal details like your name, country, and birthday. Basically, everything it asks for. Then click Continue at the bottom of the screen. After that, you will need to verify your email address and phone number. And once that is done, you will be logged into your brand new Apple ID. That's all for today. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. Until next time, goodbye.